Hey Marin, it's Bob Donlin, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Drysdale Properties, and here's your must-know real estate market update for the week. We only had 18 new listings hit the market in the prior week, massive 60% decline from the prior week. But the 4th of July holiday was Friday, and holidays always impact the numbers, so we won't read too much into the data. However, we have seen several weeks in a row of declining new listing inventory. Some of that is seasonal, of course, but some of it may also be due to the softening in the overall market. If they're paying attention, sellers are starting to notice the softening market and prices. We had 60 homes go contingent or pending, a nearly 20% decline. Again, some holiday impact likely there, as we have many people out of town, but definitely a lower number of contingent and pendings for several weeks in a row, also showing a market slowdown. At the time of this recording, 693 properties on the market, down almost 9%, and the percentage of homes in escrow rose 2.5%. We had 44 homes close escrow, another 30 were taken off the market, so either sellers changing plans or shifting strategy. Either way, the declining inventory of available listings increased the percentage of homes in escrow. 570 single-family homes, with 25.5% of those in escrow. 44 closings. Average days on market jumped up to 57 days, so quite a jump. The median days on market was 30, so up from 26. So again, we're seeing the data more clearly displaying the slowing of the market recently. We have about 1-4 homes in escrow, so that percentage is up. And as the new listings inventory has retreated, that percentage continues to rise, which helps support the market and prices. If you're a buyer looking to purchase a home, conditions remain some of the most favorable we've seen in a while. There are some really good, high quality homes that have been on the market for a while. So this is the time to procure a deal, perhaps with the seller buying down an interest rate and or contributing to closing costs. If you're a seller, the market dynamics have shifted, close to 40% more properties on the market versus last year. Pricing and presentation are critical. It's not a time to test the higher price strategy, as that typically nets you less money in the long run. If you have questions or want to schedule a free consultation, message me anytime. That's it for this week's market update, and I'll see you next week. If there's anything I could be of service in helping you reach your real estate goals, reach out. I would love to help. I'll talk to you soon.